In this video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how I can fix Windows Update error code 0x8007045b on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Click the Start button, go to Settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on System. Scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Click Other Troubleshooters. Here you can find Windows Update with the Run button corresponding to it. Click the Run button corresponding to Windows Update. This will help you detect and spot the issue or problem that you are facing on your Windows. And aside from that, this will also give you suggestions and recommendations on how you can fix the issue. So follow the on-screen instructions that it will suggest. And then after running the troubleshooter, right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click Run as Administrator on the right pane. Click Yes. And copy the first command, which will be posted in the description box below. SFC scan, Control C and then Control V. The system scan will begin, so simply wait for the process to be 100% completed. Once this is completed, right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Then open CMD again. Click Run as Administrator. Click Yes. And then copy the second command, which will again be posted in the description box below. Control C and then Control V and hit enter. So this will begin the process. So wait for the process to be 100% completed. Just patiently wait for it. This will take for like 15 minutes or an hour. But anyway, you have to patiently wait for this. And after doing so, right click at the Start button, shut down or sign out and restart. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.